Here's a quick video showing you how to map your eyebrows on latex or paper. Open up your compass to about 6 centimeters wide, mark point 1, bring point 2 up to about 1 centimeter high. This will be the highest point of your eyebrow. Point 3 will be the tail. Flip your compass over and align it with point 1 and 3. That will give you point 5. Close your compass and align it with point 2 and 3. That will give you point 6. Now point 5 and 6 are reference points, so I like to create a line coming down. The thickness of your eyebrow will determine the exact placement of point 5. And your point 6 will be determined by how arched you want your eyebrow to be. Now we're going to place point 4. Point 4 determines the thickness of your eyebrow. It is underneath point 1 and slightly in front. You can make it as thick or thin as you want. Now all we have to do is connect the dots. Connect point 1 and 2 with a slight concave or a straight line. Connect point 2 and 3 with a line curving slightly away from point 6. The line connecting point 4 and 5 curves very slightly, sort of like a belly. Connect point 5 and 6. The placement of your point 6 will be determined by how arched you want your eyebrow to be. If you want an eyebrow with less of an arch, your point 6 will be lower. But it should never be lower than point 5. Connect point 6 and 3. And the line connecting 1 and 4 is slightly curved. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.